Choosing the right plugin in terms of page speed, user friendliness, and website security of the website is very crucial task. But in this video, I am going to tell you the best WordPress plugin that will help you or benefit you about any category of your WordPress website. So before we start this video, I have to just one appeal to you. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of my next video and you will not miss anything. So let's get started. We will take the closer look to these plugin details and we will see the key benefits of these plugins when we use it. So before we jump into the plugin details, you have to know about little bit information about plugin details. So why plugin is important? Plugin is like a building blocks to your website. They bring all-in-one information such as speed of your website, optimization of your website SEO score, and also add contact form to your website. So there are thousands of plugins in WordPress library. You will confuse which plugin you should download and add. In this video, you will know the best WordPress plugin that no matter what type of your website is, that surely help you. So now we are talking about the first WordPress plugin, that is Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is one of the oldest and most popular WordPress plugin. It makes it easy to optimize your web pages and post and to rank higherly in search engines. Most importantly, you can install Yoast SEO plugin on your self-hosted website with a free version. It's the most comprehensive plugin you can ask for. You can also buy the premium version of Yoast SEO plugin for some extra functionality, but most important functions can come up with the free version. So what are the key features of Yoast SEO? First, Yoast SEO make it easy to add title and meta description of each page on your website. Second, you can make improvement in your content easily and you can see how well it is optimized. And the third thing, it will give you a suggestion tips to make your content more readable. So second WordPress plugin we are talking about, that is Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is a free WordPress plugin to add a contact form to your website. You can easily customize your contact form and mail content flexibly with one simple markup. Contact Form 7 is easiest way for people to contact you from the website. It also comes up with reCAPTCHA functionality to prevent the spam. The third most important plugin we are talking about, that is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is one of the oldest e-commerce plugin for WordPress. If you want to sell your product and services, then this plugin is for you. You can do endless customization through this plugin. You can also create the beautiful storefront with the themes suited for your brand and industry. You can also showcase your digital and physical product, instant download, product reviews, and set unlimited images of your product and many more. So now we are talking about the fourth WordPress plugin, that is W3 Total Cache. W3 Total Cache is the most popular caching plugin for WordPress. Caching will store your data and when somebody searches for the same query, then it will show you a result immediately. For example, somebody searches on your website, that is t-shirt for kids, and this plugin will save the result data, and when somebody searches for the same term, then it will show you a result immediately. W3 Total Cache will reduces your page load time, which ultimately increasing your website page speed, and it will boost your search engine rankings. So now we are talking about the fifth WordPress plugin, that is WordFence Security. WordFence Security is the most important firewall and malware scan plugin for WordPress. WordFence is the most comprehensive security solution available. With new firewall rule, malware signature, and malicious IP addresses, it will keep your website safe and secure. Integrated malware scanner can block the requests which contain malicious code or content. WordFence Security plugin can track and send you a security alert via email which contain important security events such as breakage of password usage, administrative logins, and any attack activity, and many more. When you receive such a security alert, make sure you deal with it promptly to ensure your site stays secure. If you're looking for some alternative option for WordPress security, then I will suggest the iTheme Security plugin, which is formerly known as WP Security. We are talking about the 6th WordPress plugin, that is Optimal. Images takes more than 50% of your web page size. So it makes a huge difference when you optimize your images well. So why it is important? Because if your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, then over the half of the users will close your site. It is not only one factor to your website performance, but the images are the key component to improve your page load time. Optimal is all-in-one solution for all of your image optimization need. With full automation and super features, it makes it easy to clean up all of your heavy images and the bloaty pages. Optimal can detect the image size and resize it to provide you fast loading and responsive experience to the users. So what are the key features of Optimal? It optimizes JPG into PNG images. Second, it can bulk optimize old images that you have. And the third is it can compatible with the modern page builder like Elementor. So 7th WordPress plugin we are talking about, that is HubSpot. You can't grow your business without marketing, and HubSpot will enable you to do that. This plugin will allows you to turn your visitors into leads, nurture them, and measure your business growth. HubSpot plugin will allows you to track your conversions, follow leads, manage your contacts, and build the email newsletters. You can make informed decisions by looking at the dashboard and analytics of the HubSpot. Final thought is that you cannot run your website without adding functionality to plugins. Whether you have to add the social sharing buttons or compressing images for increasing the website page speed, or optimize your content for search engine rankings, you need to add the plugins. So all the above mentioned plugins will help you to do that. So if you're experiencing any of the above plugin, do let me know in the comment section. And if you're confused about which plugin you should start with, then all the above mentioned plugins are most important and trusted plugin you should start with. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of my next video. And you can connect with me on all social media channels. Link is given in the description below. Until then, bye bye. I will see you in the next video.